Welcome back, chemistry fans. Today, what we're going to do is one of the three nuclear laboratories that we're going to do. The first one we're going to do is half-lives, and we can't really deal with a lot of atoms. We can't see them, we can't touch them. So instead, what we're going to deal with are googly eyes. Woohoo! So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch my camera over to the overhead here. And we're going to participate with this activity. So hang tight while I do that, and then we will get started here. Let's see. I think. Okay, here we are. So I've got this bag of googly eyes here, and I'm going to shake them all up so they're all random. And what we have to do is start counting how many there are in here. Well, to make these a little bit easier for the camera, I am going to start with a smaller amount than what you are going to unfortunately have to deal with so that we can get the idea of how to achieve this. So I'm going to take this and I am going to count how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. All right, so I got 29 in here. So what I'm going to do with that piece of information is I am going to write that down on this. So I'm going to start just like we did in class with my time and amount. Time always starts at 0. My amount is starting with 29. So let's see how many are left after one half-life. So here we go. I'm going to take these, mix them all up. And now we have to decide, well, what is dead? What disappeared? Well, I'm going to say that anything that is face down is in fact dead. So I'm going to get rid of those that are face down. Anything that is face down is no longer with us. It has disappeared. It has decayed, if you will. So all of these here are now gone. So that is how many we have left. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so now I go back to my screen and I write in 12. That's where we're at, 12. So my second half-life. So I've gotten rid of all those ones that are dead. So now I'm going to take these 12. I need to unshare my screen. So now we're back here with these 12 here. And so I'm going to shake them up, randomize it, and then they go in here. And so the ones that are alive appear to just be 4 of them. Not a whole lot. Well, we'll go 5 since that one was on its side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm down to 5. So I put those back into my container. I am going to share my screen so I can write down that information that I need. So after 2 half-lives, I'm down to 5. Let's go to the third half-life. Let me go back to the camera. Let's see how many we have left over. Oh my goodness, we went down to 1. So now we are down to 1, and 1 is what we're at. So I will assume that after this, it went to 0. Okay. So now what we got to do is we got to take this data and we got to plot this onto a graph. So let me pull up a Google Sheet. And we can then create our half-life graph, our decay. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to start with a new one. And we're just going to label this as time, amount. And my time went 1, 2, 3, 4 half-lives, I believe is what it was. It was 29, 12, 5, 1, and 0. So we actually had 5 half-lives is where it went to. All right, I'm going to highlight this data, and I'm going to come over here to my graph button, insert a chart. Let's see if it comes out nicely. There it is. It comes out really, really perfectly what we wanted, showing an exponential decay. Now, we should change the name of this. Well, actually, you know what? amount versus time, I'm fine with that. If you want to change that to half-lives, that's fine. Units on this one, we could talk about half-lives down at the bottom instead of time. So we could change this one to half-life, and it would be just correct as well. All right. So this is everything that I wish to share with you on your graph. This is what you must accomplish on your own in class. Thank you so much. We'll talk with you again. Hold on. Soon. All right. I'm on the wrong camera. We'll talk with you again soon. Thank you so much for listening in. Talk to you soon. Bye.